Hi guys, welcome back. Today it's all about stripes. Styling stripes can be fun and versatile, as they can be dressed up and down and combined in various ways to create different looks. And it's perfect if you have a minimalist capsule wardrobe, as stripes can be a fun and creative way to add interest and personality to your outfits. And to prove to that, my last video where I used 9 items only, including a striped shirt, to create multiple outfit combinations. So here are some tips on how to style stripes. It's important to choose the right size. Thin stripes are more subtle and can be more flattering, especially on smaller frames. While wide stripes can make a bold statement, but may be less forgiving on certain body types. It's also important to keep proportions in mind. So avoid wearing oversized patterns head to toe unless it's the statement you want to make. Being petite, I absolutely love vertical stripes, since they create a lengthening effect, making me look taller and slimmer. I love horizontal stripes too, however they can create width, but they can work well if balanced with the right pieces. When styling stripes, consider color combinations. You can opt for classic combinations such as black and white, navy and white, blue and white. I absolutely love this combination, as you might have already noticed. These buttons are timeless and versatile. If you're looking to add fun, youthful vibe to your outfit, consider bold colors, bright and colorful stripes. If you like monochromatic look, wear stripes in shades of the same color for a sophisticated and cohesive look. Try mixing different stripe patterns like thin stripes with thick stripes, but keep the colors in the same family. My favorite striped item in my wardrobe is a shirt. In fact, I have 2 shirts in the same color palette but different stripe size. And it's a classic white and light blue combination that allows me to effortlessly create various outfits. I like layering items, and the striped shirt can definitely add interest to the outfits. Experiment with tucking in or knotting the shirt for different silhouettes and styles. I love styling white shirt with a pair of trousers. White linen trousers are perfect for summer days, while dark shade trousers work pretty well for a professional setting or colder days. My favorite outfit formula is a pair of jeans, striped shirt, white blazer, ballet flats and a sophisticated bag. It's such an effortlessly chic outfit that makes me feel confident. Accessories can elevate a simple striped shirt, so do not be afraid to add a statement piece. Another favorite item of mine is a striped cardigan that I usually use as a layering piece. Styling a striped cardigan can elevate your look and add a touch of sophistication to various outfits. And I love pairing it with monochromatic outfits, jeans and tailored trousers. And by the way, I have another striped item on my wishlist for quite a while now, which is a pair of striped trousers. I already have a mood board with outfit ideas, and I think it will be such a perfect addition to my wardrobe. And if you guys have any recommendations on where to find a nice pair that fits a petite body frame, do let me know in the comments. And I hope you guys found these tips useful, and if you did, that would be amazing if you could like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. That will mean so much to me. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!